Hi guys, welcome back to the Nox Penny channel as we look at some more maths questions. Alright, so my number there, alert me. Alright, so the first one says write 310 as a percentage. Now percent mean out of 100, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna say 310 and we multiply by 100%. And of course, that will give us 30%. So for that one, it would have been 30 as the answer. So 30 over 10 times 100 gives us 30%. Right, let's move on to 2. Let's move on to 2. What 2 says, it says, write the following numbers in order of size, and we must start with the smallest number. So we have negative 10, negative 7, negative 2. So the negatives mean less than 100, so we start off with negative 10. That will be the smallest number there. Next we have negative 7. Just picture the number line. Then we have negative 2. Next we have 0, 1, and 8. So that's from the smallest to the largest. Let's go to number 3 now. Number 3 says, write 9 over 100 as a decimal. So basically, just set it up nicely. We're going to be dividing by 1,000. So we're going to move 2 places to all the decimal point, or the decimal point is located right to the right of 9. So what we're going to do, we're going to move 2 places because it's 2 zeros. So let's just say 1, 2. So as a decimal, it would be 0.09. So it's 0.09 as the decimal. Let's look at 4. 4 says write 327 corrected to the nearest 10. So that's 327 to the nearest 10. Now, to the nearest 10 can either be 2 options, 320 or 330. Because remember, it's like going up by 10. The nearest 10 is either that. Alright? Now, 27, you only need 3 more to go to this, so it would have been 330 to the nearest 10. So that's 330. Alright, let's look at 5. It says write down the value of 7 squared. Now 7 squared means 7 multiplied by 7. Alright, and that would give us 49. So our answer for that one would be 49. Very nice question. Here's my number to call, guys. 549-2161. Alright, guys, let's go down to the number 6. It says write down the name of the mathematical name of this quadrilateral. Alright, and this would be a trapezium. So this one is a trapezium. Alright, and B says, so we're going on to B now, so that's a trapezium. I'm going to move on to the next one, which says write down the name of the mathematical 3D shape. Now this one is a cylinder. Alright, so it's a cylinder, circular base. Let's look at number 7. It says $42 is shared equally between 3 friends how much does each friend get? So $42. So what we have to do, divide 42 by 3. 3 into 4, 1. 3 times 1, that will give us 3. And then we subtract. So 4 take away 3 is 1. Remember, we have to carry down the 2, so that becomes 12. 3 into 12 goes 4 times. And then we multiply 3 times 4, which is 12. So for that one, it would have been 14. So each person will get 14 pounds. This is a British paper, so you can understand why it is in pounds. Alright, let's look at 8. It says, Grace recorded the eye color of each of the students in her class. The frequency table below shows her result. And here we have the eye color. So blue is 10, brown, that's 15. So that's how we read it across in rows. Green is 4. And they say, Grace drew the bar chart below for this information. Alright, so let's see. So here we have the frequency and we have the blue, brown, and green. And they say, write down one thing that is wrong with the chart. Alright, so let's go back up to the numbers. So blue supposed to be 10, so let's check. If blue is 10, yes, it is 10. So this is accurate. Now brown supposed to be 15. However, let's look at it closely. It's actually 16. So what's happened? They're going up by 2. So brown should have been somewhere about here. It should be halfway between the 14 and the 15. So this is incorrect. So we can identify right here. So brown eye, we can just put it in the sentence. Brown eye should be 6, should be 15, not 16. So brown eye should be 15 rather and not 16. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Here's my number, 876-549-2161. Alright, so parents, don't hesitate to join my class. Let the child join my class. Alright, you can send me a WhatsApp, 876-549-2161. Then I'll send it to my upload out. So see you guys in another video.